Most people hear mobile app and picture six-figure budgets, long timelines, and complex projects. But that's not the only way anymore. Today, you can launch a real mobile app, one that lives right on the app stores and on your customers' phones for a fraction of the traditional cost. This lets any online business from e-commerce stores to SaaS apps benefit from the incredible benefits of having their own mobile app. The most cost-effective way to do it? Well, MobiLoud. Here's how it works. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, MobiLoud turns your website or web app into a full-featured mobile app. You get branded iOS and Android apps that stay perfectly synced with your customer's site. Your customers get a smooth native app experience with fast navigation, app-only scenes, and push notifications that keep them coming back. And the best part, it's all done for you. MobiLoud handles the setup, testing, app store submissions, and ongoing maintenance. You don't need to hire developers or add to your team's workload. The cost starts at just a few $100s per month, plus a one-time setup fee, and it's typically between $1 to $2K total to go live. For a serious mobile app, that's an incredible deal. With a custom app from an app agency or dev team, you're looking at $50,000 minimum for basically the same thing. But cost effectiveness isn't just about the price tag. It's about everything that goes into getting and keeping your app live. With other tools, you spend endless hours building and tweaking the app yourself, and that time has a cost. $49 a month turns into thousands when you factor in your team's time and effort. With MobiLoud, everything is done for you. So you save time, energy, and money. And because your app stays in sync with your website, there's no duplicate work or constant maintenance. Make a change on your site and it automatically updates in your app. And that saves you another hidden cost that most people don't think about: keeping two platforms aligned. And finally, unlike cheap DIY tools, MobiLoud doesn't put a cap on what your app can do. You get the full power of your website and all the advantages of a native app without compromise. So when you add it all up, time, maintenance, opportunity cost, MobiLoud is easily the most cost-effective way to build a mobile app today. If your website is already mobile-friendly, you're most of the way there. MobiLoud will turn it into a fast native app that lives on your customers' phones, quickly and affordably. You can even see it for yourself. Just visit app.mobiloud.com for a free preview of your app. No commitment and no risk. And get your business into the app stores and onto your customers' home screens without breaking the bank. Launch your app today with MobiLoud.